Hey guys, so it is Tuesday afternoon, it's almost 5, and I've been getting a bunch of emails about turning in work later. You have till Friday, so use the week to get your work in. I won't take anything after Friday, Friday midnight, okay? And I've just spent the whole day cleaning the classroom and trying to put things away the best I can. It's an impossible task when it's just one person and so many supplies. So I am really hoping, seniors, that I'll be able to get your work to you. There are lots of things that you said you wanted, but they aren't fired yet. Like there's some coil pots that haven't been fired. There's definitely the slab boxes. I don't know when those will get fired at all. But the situation is that the AC cuts out part of the day. So I'm there in the morning, and then it gets hot like around 2 o'clock. So I can't run the kiln at all if I'm going to be in the room, and they're not going to give me that much more time to be in the room. So I'll do my best. I'll get you what I can get you before the fall, but just know that if I don't get your work to you, I'm trying my best. Okay. All right. It is super hot here, and on my way to the car, my glasses broke, and now I look crazy. All right, you guys have a great week.